Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project DLF The West Park by DLF located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. Also, in this video, we will be talking about project overview, location, internal, external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, maintenance, parking, possession, pros and cons, and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 18.5 acres consisting of 8 towers, now currently constructing on 5.5 acres having 4 towers that will have 4 level of basement, ground, 2 podium and 37 residential floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Also, Jodi options are available. Now, before talking about the location and connectivity, I would like to tell you that we are standing at the actual location and this over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Project is located near Lotus Petrol Pump Andheri West, from where Oshiwara Metro Station is only at a distance of 1 minute, Lokhandwala Circle is only at a distance of 2 to 3 minutes, Infinity Mall is only at a distance of 100 meters, Versova Beach is only at a distance of 10 minutes, and Koklaban Hospital is only at a distance of 10 minutes. And now, talking about the amenities, internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink, branded fittings and much more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with world-class gym, indoor games room, badminton court, 55,000 square feet of clubhouse, kids play area, swimming pool with cabanas, and the USP of the project is that it has an indoor bowling alley. Also has a cricket pitch, a pickleball court, a half basketball court, and many more amenities within the project. Now talking about the parking part, this project has basement level of car parking facilities. And now let's have a look at the master plan of this project. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of the West Park. Here you can see these are the 4 towers that are currently being launched. Coming to the carpet area, 3 BHK has carpet area of 1126 to 1511 square feet and 4 BHK has carpet area of 1955 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of Tower 2 with 2 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 3 with 4 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 4 with 3 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases, and this is the typical floor plan of Tower 5 with 3 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 3 BHK with 1126 carpet area. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK with 1365 square feet of carpet area. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK with 1468 square feet of carpet area. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK with 1511 square feet of carpet area. And now talking about the maintenance for 3 BHK ranges between 28,000 to 38,000 per month. So now talking about the possession, the RERA possession date for this project is of December 2032. But the target possession is for December 2029. And now talking about the pros and cons, to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project DLF The West Park by DLF located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.